Hello guys, a new mining video for TimeFarm bot with a new script. Like you see, this is the homepage of our bot, claiming every 8 hours just by clicking claiming. Also, you can upgrade here if you want to upgrade your hourly income. Also, assistance. You can buy assistance for 1 ton. You can boost with Toon, but we work in free mining. You can buy for coins here for one for the number one is for every 4 hours you can claim, like you see, pendulum clock for 1 million if you want. There is tasks here, like you see. You do tasks. I already claimed some tasks here. You can claim other tasks. This is your friends. Collect some coins. This is your activity. This is earn. You can stake your mining coin. I already staked it. You can stake your mined coin here and for 3 days if you want. This is my account. I can stake now for 3 days. I will stake for 3 days for 0.5% max, like you see. We stake. Like you see, our staking is okay. Here you put your wallet. That's okay. Now I let this not claim it because I want to show you how to work with it in our Termux. We go to our script. You clone, or link will be in my site. You install these commands one by one, but I already installed some commands. We copy git clone. We go to our Termux. Now we install for TimeFarm. It's done. Now we put ls enter. Now we put cd space TimeFarm folder to open. Click enter. Now put ls and then click enter. Like we see, it's installed. Now we return to our script to copy this function. Now we put this order in our Termux. We click in install. It will install this npm. After installing, we must edit our nano data. Like you see, we wait. Like you see, now we put nano space data. It will show you like that. Like that. If query ID expired, it's shown below. If query ID expired, you must re-input your data. When you see like that, you press Ctrl K to erase everything here. Now we go return to our bot. Like we see, we close. We open and put in airplane mode to get our data. We reload. I prefer this method because it's more efficient. It's not working. We reopen our data. When it's open, we wait until like that and put in airplane mode directly when it's launching. Must put directly when it's launching to get your user data, or we'll use the other way by Kiwi browser. Put directly in airplane mode. Reload the page. It's not showing anything. We open our data. Wait until it's been done. I prefer this method. Like we see, we get our query ID. We repeat this method. Also, you can use your queue browser if you want. There is many methods. Now we put in our query ID bot to get our data. We input. Now we copy this query ID. We put our query ID here. Press Ctrl X, Y, enter. Now our bot is installing. Now we put node space main .js. It's auto claiming and auto upgrade. Like you see, upgrade watch, yes. Like you see, it's starting. It's claiming farming. Like you see, farming, it's claiming. Like you see, if you want to not upgrade your watch, you can click now here. Now, like we see, it will claim for you every 4 hours. We return to our bot. We open our bot and we see, we will see that's claimed. This is how, like you see, it's claimed by himself. Like you see. This is our bot and script today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.